How to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this video. If you're wondering if you can transfer Paysafecard to PayPal, we hate to break it, but unfortunately, you cannot directly transfer a Paysafecard balance to your PayPal. Paysafecard is a prepaid voucher system designed for anonymous online payment. While PayPal is an online payment platform that links to your bank account or credit card. However, there are a few indirect methods you can consider. Firstly, you can purchase items on services of PayPal using your Paysafecard. You can find online merchants that accept both Paysafecard and PayPal payment. Purchase an item or service using your Paysafecard. Then you can use PayPal to send the purchased item or service to yourself or someone else. There might be some of the third party services, however, you should always be aware of potential fees associated with these methods. So these were some of the way to transfer your Paysafecard to PayPal indirectly. We hope you found it informative and helpful to you.